Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you something really important, which is the IPDA data ranges. So data ranges, what is IPDA actually? What's the full form of IPDA? IPDA, right? So what is it actually? I stands for interbank, P stands for price, D stands for what? Delivery, because price is always delivering from a buyer to a seller and a seller to a buyer, right? And A stands for algorithm. Interbank price delivery algorithm. So this is the timed range, a timed range. It's based on time actually, all right? It's not based on any particular levels, which it is based on levels of course, but time plays a vital role, meaning time comes before the price. So it's just a quick overview actually. I don't want to keep the video very long. Okay, I want to show you a really practical example of what is IPDA data range and how to calculate it. It's calculated 20 days, 40 days, 60 days, back and forth of any beginning of the month. I'll take an example of the beginning of August over here. Okay, this you can see on a daily time frame, of course. This is the gold chart. So on the daily time frame, you can see the beginning of August, the 1st of August 2024. If I'll take 20 days back, this 20 bars right here, this vertical line, it represents the 20 days look back period. Same like the 20 days look back, if I'll go 40 days, this vertical line represents the 40 days. And if I'll expand it a little bit further, this one right here, this vertical line is the 60 days data range. All right, look no further than this. You can go 90 days, 120 like this, but look no further than these ranges, because the levels which are represented in these ranges play a really vital role in the price delivery of the next 20, 60, 40 and 20 days. Sorry, 20, 40 and 60 days. Okay, from the beginning of August you're seeing price month opened up. Okay, we are looking back 20 days right here. Let me just bring these things back so that nothing overlaps. We're looking at this price range right now. Right here we are in this zone. Okay, let me just put it blue. We're looking at this right now, and imagine the month opened up. Now you want to know where in price are you going to go, or where in price will you see major levels, liquidity pools, and major buy side and sell side liquidities. This is the beginning, 20 days look back. In this zone, which is the highest high and which is the lowest low, you look at the lowest low. Okay, it can be this one right here. You look at the lowest low and you look at the highest high, and then you just bring it out into the next 20 days, which is right here, next 40 days and next 60 days right here. You just bring the price forward, the line forward, and you make a mark of it that this one particular zone right here, the 20 days high, is a major liquidity zone, meaning it can either be swept or traded through and then used as a flip zone, meaning a support zone. So if you can see right here, month opened up, we manipulated down initially, and then we started to expand, retracement mid of the month, and this one thick candle right here, it broke through. And now you see how price is just bouncing off of this 20-day high, this right here, which is the IPDA data high. It's bouncing off of the price. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it moves up. Now gold, since the war is going on, gold is just on its way towards price discovery. Now we don't know how to predict where exactly the price will go, like, because a lot of predictions before were the next stop is 2500 wrecked, 2600 stop losses hit. Every single one who trades pattern and every single one who was just predicting the market like a fortune teller, everyone got wrecked. But since you have these technical knowledges in your hand, like the one which I'm presenting to you right now, you can predict at least mechanically where until when the price will go higher. Right now what we're saying is from the 1st of August all the way up till 20th, you can see price actually moved up and then accumulated right here. The moment the 20 days after the 1st of August ended and the new data range began, you can see price literally started to expand. Now what I'm expecting is until Thursday, meaning tomorrow, we might see from tomorrow onwards a shift in the market structure. All the wars which is going on, there will be a truce hopefully, and something will happen which is gonna drop the price down of gold and oil and everything, whatever market is higher. But you're seeing now the mechanics and the algorithm in action. 20 days, the moment 20 days started, price expanded. Now 20 days are about to end, 40 days are coming up. After 40 days we might see price coming down, or at least retracing to a place of liquidity zones. Right now we have this is our 40 days low and this is our 40-day high. Now another interesting thing, this is the 40-day high, price, the new month opened up right here. Let me just delete this. We're now focused on this zone right here. This is our zone. Okay, this is our zone of 40 days look back. Price opened up, dropped down where? Of course there is a PDRA and everything, but where did it drop down to? Exactly the previous 40 days high. It tapped it once, twice, 3 or 4 times, and then it just expanded. Now if you see these things and if you make a note of these things and use it for your future references, such points that any particular time the market starts, let's say this is the beginning of the month of the new year actually, okay, this is Jan 1st. What you'll have to do is just take your measuring key on TradingView, just look back 20 days, 20 bars, use 20 bars. Okay, it might show 28 days, don't be confused, use 20 bars, and then put a vertical line right here, and then go forward as well, 20 bars, and then put a vertical line right there. These two ranges, one and the second one, these are your dealing ranges right here. And in these dealing ranges, you're supposed to look for the premium and discount prices. Whereas if you're bearish, you should look for bearish setups in the premium zone, and then if you're bullish, you look for your longs in the discount zone. Correct? Now, if I'll show you, this is the zone of our 20 days. Let me just put it back. This is our 20 days range right here. If I'll put my, no, not this one, let's just put the Gann box right here. Okay, low to the high. Okay, premium and discount. The green box, the green zone, is the premium. This is the discount zone, right? Price, every time price comes into the 20 days discount zone, you see price reaching back up into the premium, again down, premium, and then we moved, then we actually flipped the zone. Now this one particular price range, price tag, this is the support zone, so-called support zone actually, but now we are in this zone, so we are extremely bullish. Now if you're looking for buys, I would suggest that you should stop looking for buys, and then from tomorrow onwards, at least in my understanding, price will see a change in the direction, a change in the trend. We are extremely bullish. We are at the high price discovery, at the highs of our 40 days range as well. So from tomorrow onwards, we might see price dropping down. So I hope you understood a little bit with this IPDA data ranges, interbank price delivery algorithm, and you'll trade accordingly. And I wish you the best of luck and good trading. Take care.